Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm Ted, the product manager of IEI Singapore Computer and Embedded Computer team. Today, I am honored to represent, talk about and sharing our new product GPOE-6P Power over Internet Peripherals cards. We are focused on the new trending of industrial field on the GPOE-6 port and talk about related various applications. This will easy to find out our end customer and provide the advanced technology can be used in industrial field and smart city. In last 2 years, IEI PoE cards 2-port and 4-ports were announced and launched in the market. So in 2020 now, IEI will be launched with our we have never been seen before in the market. This is PoE 6-port expansion card, GPOE-6P. IEI GPOE 6-port with total 180 watts and one port can be support up to 90 watts per port. So let's talk about the industrial area department and work group PoE solution. The GPOE-6P providing up to 6 PoE ports can easily build a power essentially controlled by IP phone system, IP camera system, or wireless AP group for industrial network or factory. For instance, 6 PoE IP cameras or wireless access point can be easily installed around the corner in the industrial environments for surveillance demands or for a wireless roaming network without the power socket and power adapter or power supply limitations. The GPOE-6P makes the installation of IP camera or wireless AP very easily, and the voice over IP VoIP telephones and multi-channel wireless LAN access point. Wireless LAN will be more efficiency for the transportation to provide high-speed and wide area internet services for travelers. With the PoE wireless LAN structure, the transportation authority gains benefit from less costs while providing better internet services in the wider area for the travelers with the PoE solution. So this is our GPOE-6P. The GPOE-6P provides 6 1000 pace TX PoE PSE ports with the Intel i2-1180 LAN chip. And the GPOE-6P supports IEEE BD compliant PoE and total power budget is up to 180 watts with maximum 90 watts per port. The GPOE-6P provides the PoE power source from 12 to 24 VDC of 80 ATX power. Each LAN port supports both PoE and non-PoE connection with the auto detect and classification. The golden finger interface of GPOE-6P is using PCI Express by 4, so it is fully compatible with the by 4, by 8, and by 16 PCI Express expansion slot. So today, we are extremely and excited to share more about GPOE-6 port and very powerful expansion device. Let me tell you what I mean. What we've done in the new generation of IEI Power over Internet card. GPOE-6P design with the 6 Intel i2-1180 LAN IC, and it is generally with the 4-pin power connector and the 6-pin power connector. So the PCIe golden finger interface on the GPOE-6 port is with the cooler with small fan and a good thermal solution and with the 6 LAN ports. So for the operating temperature specification can be support up to 0 to 60 Celsius degree. And the storage temperature can be support minus 10 Celsius degree to 70 Celsius degree. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the GPOE-6 port features highlight. You can expect more of the IPC player design. They are using design 4 ports, either 8 but IEI can build all 6 ports in one full-size I/O bracket. This will let the user saving the system expansion capacity. Even thermal solution cooler fan is also can fit with the one slot size with the full-size I/O bracket. GPOE 6-port design no needs extra thermal capacity. IEI PoE series cards are leading the industrial PoE solutions and not only the one slot capacity design. Even though our cards can be provide 180 watts high voltage electricity provided, the GPOE 6-port also used with the 6-pin power connector like GPU's cards. Same with the GPU's card design, most of the mid-range graphic cards from both NVIDIA or AMD GPU cards also using the 6-pin power connector. So the GPOE 6P is also use the 6-pin power connector. So we have the hardware, we also have the software. So IEI GPOE Management Software, let me to introduce about it. PoE schedule for energy saving. So the IEI GPOE Management Software under the trend of the energy saving worldwide and contributing to environmental protection, the GPOE 6-port can effectively control the power supply besides its capability of giving high watts power. The built-in PoE management software can help you to enable or disable PoE power feeding for each PoE port during a specified time intervals, and it is very powerful function to help PoE system and or enterprise saving the power and the cost money. So this is a very important features. IEI is going to design the software provide the user access to managing of PoE control and monitoring example like PoE management, and can be adjust and allocated the power of PoE watts capacity, and quite simply to make a selection to do a distribution. So for the application of PoE cards, PoE device can be used in the factory, medical usage, smart office. Actually in PoE, PSC demands are very huge and a lot of opportunity in the smart office and factory in the future. So we have a LED light design in the I/O of GPOE 6P. This will easier to monitor the status of each GPOE card. Its total can be support maximum 8 GPOE cards in the meantime. This will easy to identify status of all GPOE cards in the system and easy to find out. If you are interested on our GPOE 6-port, please feel free to ask the inquiry to our sales manager. Lastly, if you like our video, please share and subscribe to our IEI YouTube channel. Also, please feel free to follow our social platform to get the latest product information and company news. If you have any questions, please go to the IEI official website to inquire and contact us. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.